Hello you guys, today we're making the most amazing chocolate cake from Brazil called Brigadeiro chocolate cake. Once I saw this, I knew I had to share with you guys my version of this delicious cake. Essentially, it's a soft chocolate cake smothered in a decadent chocolate cream. I suggest you bake this off in a large pan, kind of like a family style dessert that everybody can share. It's one of the easiest, most simple chocolate cakes you'll ever make, and it's one of the most fabulous. So we're going to start by making the actual chocolate cake first. I'm using my go-to chocolate cake recipe for the base of this cake. It's easy, it's moist, and it's delicious. You want to start by creaming together the butter and sugar. I'm using just a spatula today. It's that simple. There's no need to fluff the butter in this recipe, so once these ingredients are well combined, you can add the eggs. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. At this point, once the eggs are incorporated, you can add the dry ingredients, and I highly recommend to always sift the dry ingredients, especially if you're making the batter by hand like I am. It's just going to be easier to combine everything, and because there's no lumps, you'll be less likely to overmix the batter. I've gone ahead and added the milk. If you want to add a tablespoon or two of coffee, go ahead. And this is ready to be poured into your prepared buttered and floured cake pans or cake pan. Now, my suggestion to you is, because this cake is meant to be eaten directly in the pan, I recommend you bake this off in a family style deep dish and bring it to the table as is. You and your family will love it, guys. Little effort, but it's going to be one of the most amazing chocolate cakes you'll ever have. I promise you. Bake the cakes or cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes. As always, do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. While the cake is cooling, we're going to make the Brigadeiro chocolate cream, which is heavenly. You'll need some sweetened condensed milk. This seems like a lot. It is. It's going to be the base of our cream. Add that to a saucepan, which should be over low-medium heat, along with some unsweetened cocoa powder, which will cut the sweetness of the condensed milk. And as you're heating this mixture, the cocoa will bloom, giving this cream the most intense chocolate flavor. You want to bring this mixture to a slight simmer, then turn off your stove, and at this point you can stir in the butter and dark chocolate. The butter will give this cream a glossy finish, and the chocolate will give this cream even more delicious and deep chocolate flavor. Now, I like to let the cream sit and cool slightly for about 5 minutes. If you let the cream cool completely, it will thicken. It's really up to you if you want to assemble the cake warm or cool. I've tried it both ways, and it's amazing warm and it's amazing cool. Fall and winter is upon us. Okay? And I feel this is the perfect cake to enjoy on a cold day. It's one of the most comforting chocolate cakes ever. If you're having a bad day or you need a little comfort food, this is perfect. The cream alone is so fabulous. It tastes like chocolate pudding. And together with the cake, it's heaven. So get cozy. Make yourself some hot tea or coffee, and please make this delicious cake.